Hi everyone, welcome to Food Friday. Today we're going to show you how to make coconut dumplings, which in Bengali we call fob. Now the flour's already been made into a dough. If you need a tutorial on that, I will link the video below on how to make the dough. And here is some grated coconut where she's added date molasses in and mixed it, and this is what's going to be the stuffing inside the dumpling. Now with the coconut you can add brown sugar or white sugar, any other different type of sweetener. My mom chose to do date molasses. So here she is rolling out the dough into a fairly, it doesn't have to be exactly round, but my mom makes round rotis all the time, so it just doesn't have to be round as long as it's just a medium size. And then you put it over the dumpling maker, which she will show you in a minute. There it is. So there's the dumpling maker. She puts the dough on top of that. Takes some of the stuffing, which is the coconut, puts it on one side, or actually in the middle of the dumpling maker. And then you put water all around the sides so it seals the sides and the coconut doesn't, come out when you fry it. And you just fold it, squeeze near the edges, take the excess off. And there we have our first dumpling. Already perfect with the pattern on the sides. You don't have to, it's very minimal effort with that dumpling maker, believe me. When I was younger, when we used to make the dumplings, it was just so hard trying to get that pattern in. My mom was very specific about the patterns on the edges, and my gosh, it was a nightmare. And now it's just so easy. Even I do it for her sometimes. She just makes the stuffing and I just make the dumplings for her. And we're going to show you again how to make it. Now, before you put the dumplings in the freezer, you can freeze them and consume them within 3 months. So if you do put them in the freezer, make sure you lightly fry them. So you shallow fry them, and it's very lightly, make them a little brown, and then cool them down and then freeze them, because this way they won't, stick to the ice or, split. And it's just one of those life hacks. So, and yeah, thank you for watching Food Friday. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's been very short and it's, but I do appreciate the views. Thank you.